Nasa harapan po natin si Altair at saka si Denny sa banal na pagmisang ito upang kanyang pagkasama bilang sakramento ng kasal, no? Bali mas pagbasa natin, what God has put together, let no man put asunder. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos, di pinagpag-iwalayin ng sinumang tao.
Moving just to survive. All that I wanted was to start again.
Boss, yung mga balak sa buhay, sana makamit ko. Dito lang kami mga tropa mo, ha? Uy, pa uwi ka.
Face to face, nothing to lose. I won't look back now. I feel the love. I wanna get to know you. I feel the love. Let the past burn into the sun. I feel the love. I really wanna show you now. I feel the love. I wanna get to know you.
I hope this would be your dream wedding, and I'm always here. I'm here. So, I'm always here. Literally, I'm always here. I love you so much.
It's not over tonight. Stay in this moment, we can hide away. 'Cause they're gonna turn on the lights. We're burning bright, no one never fade. Stumbling through the crowd, feet lifting off the ground, looking for you. Washing my fear away, standing your face to face, nothing to lose. I won't look back now. I feel the love. I wanna get to know you. I feel the love. Let the past burn into the sun. I feel the love. I really wanna show you now. I feel the love. I wanna get to know you. I feel the love. Let the past burn into the sun. Can't get enough. So much I wanna show you now.
Nanay, thank you for being my guardian angel every day. Mahal na mahal kita. At sana nandito ka ngayon dahil ikakasal na yung nag-iisang anak mo. At miss na kita. I love you always.
Sa nanay ko, si mama, dito siya sa charm ko. Si mama na mula sa langit, sana nakikita niya ito. Itong sandaling ito na lubos na akong masaya, na lubos na akong maligaya, tunay na maligaya at masaya, sapagkat meron ng tunay na nagmamahal din sa akin, at syempre ikaw yun.
I love how we laugh and jive to simple things together. I love doing everything or anything or even doing nothing with you. Basta kasama kita, I feel happy, safe, and contented, and especially I feel loved by you. You are my home, my best friend, and my lifetime partner.
When you feel swept away, when you're feeling low, you know I felt the same. Like you're walking backwards, falling in slow motion, feeling stuck.
Thank you, tatay and tita, sa lahat po ng paggabay at pagsuporta niyo sa amin ni Altair. Na-appreciate ko po lahat yon. At masaya po ako ngayon kasi kakasal na ako tapos nandito kami pa rin. Thank you.
Ako natutuwa na natupad mo na yung pangarap na magkasawa. On your successful life at work, thumbs up. Good work.
Naway gabayan kayo at patnubayan at samahan kayo ng Diyos ng pag-ibig. Best wishes and congratulations.
Maraming salamat sa iyong suporta. Kung hindi dahil sa iyong suporta, hindi ko mararating kung ano man yung narating ko ngayon at kung ano pa yung mararating ko.
Sana magsama kayo habang buhay. Halagabayan kayo ng Panginoon sa inyong pagsasama. At lalo na sa inyong paghahanap mo. Naway kayo gabayan ng ating Panginoon saan man kayo pupunta.
Pangako ko bilang iyong magiging asawa, maging tapat, syempre loyal, faithful, pero higit sa lahat maging responsable at maging masinop pa para sa ating kinabukasan at para sa ating mabubuong pamilya.
Nakita ko kung gaano mo kamahal yung tatay ko. Lagi mo siyang ino-honor, nire-respeto. At that means so much to me. Kasi mahal na mahal mo din yung tatay ko. Kailanman ay hindi ako mapapagod na mahalin ka. I will marry you 1,000,000 times over and over again. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal kita habang buhay.